Oh hey, hello Matt. How are you?
Yeah, I'm fine, and thanks for asking, Bilal.
Hello Matt, how are you? I'm doing well. And what about you? What a coincidence. Hello Matt. Again, how are you? Oh please Bilal, don't say always how are you? How are you? Like there is nothing wrong to say just like this, but to expand your vocabulary more, I want to share another sentences to ask how are you? Would you like to learn? Yeah, bro, with great delight. Okay, let's sit there and then I'm gonna teach you the sentences, okay? Yeah, sure, Matt. Well, there are a lot of ways to ask how are you, but I'm gonna teach some of these, okay? So you can also ask how are you holding up? How are you holding up? And you can reply of this question, it's been a bit tough, but I'm holding up well. Nice. How are you doing today? I'm doing well and thanks for asking. How's life treating you? How's life treating you? And you can reply of this question. Well, life's had its ups and downs, but I'm doing okay. And thanks for asking. Oh, that's good. How's everything? How's everything? You can reply everything is quite well. Everything is quite well. How's it going? It's going well. And one thing more I want to teach you that instead of saying is it separately, you can speak all together zit. Z-I-T is it. How's it going? It's going well. Okay? Sounds great. Well, it's a common sentence and we usually ask like what's up? What's up? And we can simply reply nothing special, I'm just passing my time. Nothing special, I'm just passing my time. How have you been? How have you been? So you can reply, I've been doing well. Or you can also reply, it's been a bit of a challenging lately, but I'm hanging in there. It's been a bit of challenging lately, but I'm hanging in there. Interesting, but it's little bit tough. What's new? What's new? Nothing much important. Just like every other day. Just like every other day. How do you do? How do you do? I'm doing okay. And thanks for asking.
I hope that's enough for you. Yeah, thanks, Matt. And before it, I didn't know that I can ask in different ways, how are you? Because I used to ask just how are you, but you just expanded my vocabulary, so I just wanna say you thanks again. You're welcome, and don't mention it. Okay, Bilal, so right now I have to go. So we will meet again, okay? Alright, Matt, and thanks for your precious time. Have a good day and bye bye.
Thank you guys for being here and for getting more like these videos. Please subscribe to my channel and share my videos to the others. Okay, have a good day and see you in next video.